In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge vendors in QuickBooks. If you've accidentally created duplicate vendor records, QuickBooks gives you a simple way to combine them so your list stays clean and organized. This is especially helpful when the same supplier appears more than once under slightly different names. The important thing to know is that QuickBooks merges vendors by making both records use the exact same name and then confirming the merge when prompted. To begin, go to Expenses. In some versions of QuickBooks, you may need to open All Apps instead, depending on how your view is set up. From there, select Vendors, which may also appear as suppliers in some accounts. Once you're in the vendor list, find the vendor profile you want to delete or merge and open it. Next, click Edit. At this stage, you'll want to copy or carefully note the exact name of the vendor you want to keep. This part matters a lot because the name has to match exactly for QuickBooks to recognize that you're trying to merge the two records. If there are spaces, punctuation marks, or small spelling differences, the merge may not work the way you expect. After that, return to the duplicate vendor's profile. Open that vendor, click Edit, and replace the duplicate vendor's name with the exact name of the vendor you want to keep. Take a moment here to double-check the spelling and formatting before moving on. Accuracy is key since QuickBooks uses the matching name to trigger the merge process. Once the name has been updated, click Save. QuickBooks will then display a message letting you know that the name is already in use. It will ask if you want to merge the two accounts. When you see that alert, choose Yes or select Merge Contacts, depending on the wording shown in your version of QuickBooks. After you confirm, QuickBooks will combine the two vendor records into one. That means the duplicate entry is removed and the remaining vendor profile becomes the one you continue using. This is a quick and effective way to tidy up your records and reduce confusion in your bookkeeping. As a final tip, make sure you're merging the correct duplicate into the vendor record you actually want to keep, since this action is meant to combine those entries into a single profile. And that's it. That's how to merge vendors in QuickBooks quickly and accurately.